So we're off to the gym and I'm trying to catch my Pokemon. Babes, if me find Pokemon from anywhere, you go stop for me catch him?
Nope.
Why?
I got gym. And Pokemon hunting.
What do you mean by that? No Pokemon?
Any nearby?
Yeah, 6 of them.
Where?
Somewhere around, I don't even know. But they're nearby.
Where you in the bush?
Oh, you? You? So which part of arms are you today? Not sure.
Yeah, arms. That's why I'm in my sleeveless hoodie.
Yeah, I know that's why you show off. So anyway, when we reach, we start vlog again, okay? Now focus, try focus. Huh? You see, we have two gym now. 2 Pokemon gym and 1 Pokemon pose. See that?
Well, we're going to the gym and then it waits.
So your feet, so we go see Pokemon gym Pokemon. Right. I'm posted right near here, so. What? Right near here, so I posted. Then near, you know, babes, we can't just know about go and go on Pokemon.
Can't let you out now.
Me know, so you don't do that. God.
Put the camera down.
Oh, so airtime.
Some airtime. Now my time is right. Give me some airtime. Hey!
That's it? Hey?
Me drive, me have to concentrate on your road. I'm a crash. So me drive about to run the red light.
So you're
If I
better
need to see my Pokemon.
No, we don't reach a spot. Maybe they're on bottom road. You drive bottom road?
You'll find some tourist Pokemon.
Tourist Pokemon.
I check the rain too, so you might find some rain one.
Yeah, some water one, naturally.
Some water one. Oh my time to drive.
The time hot though, jeez, the rain can't fall.
Some fun, man.
Even if you're not focused, sorry, man. Just
We like do chest and arms, our arms on.
Yeah, we can do chest.
That's because I make chest gains, means that we do chest every day now.
What if I vibrate a while
I'm
ago?
gonna say it word. Is it on me?
Me, I look for Pokemon and I want if camera upon you. So because I make, they call it chest gains, you're a bad man against me and I want me to do chest. Can you imagine? Yeah.
You can't overdo the thing.
I mean, not overdo the thing, babes.
Let's make gain somewhere else. Hey man, somebody.
Why? We catch one! We catch one, but it's not.
Show the people.
But it not press, Ryan. It not press. It not it freeze. This is just and because you're not stop.
How if you stop me up on the highway, we can't stop?
It doesn't even not press. Oh my god, we can't listen before to this to me.
No, press.
No, everything is a press except the Pokemon.
You want me to pull over?
Yes, I mean you want to pull over. No. Right, with the red other one pose. With the red other one. This is so sick. I'm such a child.
Catch him?
No.
So why you make me pull over?
Because hold on. What is?
Yeah.
Because I don't know.
So when they gone?
In run me, yes. May I come out again and go back in there?
Him gone, him gone. Come, I could just continue driving. Hold the camera. Hold it, hold it.
Hold the camera. So there you have it. Almost catch one. Almost, not quite. I love to catch at least one on the road. No,
Yeah.
that would be nice.
It's never hard to do. Because we have to go pull over and stuff.
Yeah, they make him run away. Sure. Not funny. Oh gosh. What the hell? What the hell?
Look at the deep blue sea.
Hey, Jamaica pretty now, man. Margaritaville. There we go. I see Margaritaville. The servers busy days. We can't allow bad night.
That's right.
You're so bad night.
You leave your headset?
Yeah.
Damn!
Oh, Lord. The battery are dead. Me, I don't forget to decide which back at which at you, right?
And we are at the gym.
Okay, so there you have it, a day filled with catching Pokemon. And of course, Arms Day. Ladies, we cannot neglect Arms Day because we gotta keep away the bat wings. Yes, we both do the same exercises, but because we're made genetically different, he's a man, I'm a woman, he's just gonna get bulky and I'm just gonna get toned and firm. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Keep me going by liking this video and share this with your friends, family, and neighbors. Until next time, goodbye.